Buenos dias, hello everyone, this is Glenn Irvin of Spanish, and this is a quick video about this new redirect notice inside of Schoology and how to go ahead and avoid this happening. You may or may not already know that you can embed lots of things inside of Schoology, and all embedding does is it allows the students to just access documents or, for example, YouTube videos or Quizlet right inside of Schoology, and it's super easy to do, and that's what I'm going to teach you. So I've created an assignment here, and what I want to do is focus in on this little button right over here where it says Insert Content. And with the Insert Content button, you're going to be able to embed, for example, YouTube videos or Quizlet or any other kind of LTI you have attached already to your district or your own Schoology app. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to show you a couple of things. Super easy to do. If you want to go ahead and click this Insert Image and Media, you can embed tons of things. You should experiment with it to test out the sizes and those kinds of things. But the one that I usually use is Insert Media, and I go from the web, and then I choose Media. It's my second option here, and right here I'm going to put in a link from YouTube. Well, I have my link from YouTube, and all I'm going to do is paste it right in there and just say Insert Media. And you'll know that it worked because this thing will appear there. Now you'll also want to make sure you check it to see that the video actually did appear in there. So let's go ahead and check that out and make sure that it did actually work. I'm going to say create assignment, and then let's check it at the bottom here with sample 2, and then we'll see if the video was embedded. And there it is, the Camila Cabello Havana there. And if I click this button here, it will just play. Okay, it won't pop me out to anything else. If I just inserted a link, let's go ahead and do that right now, which is what a lot of people are frustrated with, is if you insert a link and it pops you out to YouTube. For example, if I did it down here where it says attach link, and I'll go like this, and I put it in there. Now if we test that out in here, it's going to give me that message. So let's check out and see if that's accurate and true. So we have two things going on here. We have the embedded YouTube video here, but here is that link that I just attached at the bottom. If I click it, we're going to get that message again, that redirect notice. So one of the things you may want to go ahead and experiment with is the insert media and insert different types of things, insert content, different types of things inside of the assignments themselves or the pages or whatever you're working with. We happen to have a few other options here, and you may also. For example, Quizlet, super easy to go ahead and use in here too. If you want to embed a set in here without having them pop out into the Schoology app, you can just go ahead and say, hey, I want you to go ahead and choose this specific thing from Quizlet, and my Quizlet account could be connected here, but I'm just going to put Capítulo 13 here, Chapter 13, and we're going to look up someone's random stuff or a random list here, and I'm going to say, hey, I want you to embed this right into this assignment, and so that they can just practice here without having to get that message. Let's check out and see if this worked. We should have a video, and we should have the Quizlet thing in here. There's the Quizlet set, and then down here is that video also. Experiment with those things, and then hopefully that will avoid that message appearing. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios, hasta la vista.